thing for you.
Whatever you just did.
Okay,
What do you think about that?
And he's like,
Channel number 5, you're being so shy.
I'm Chanel number 5, thank you. Coco Chanel, actually.
There we go, there's some attitude.
Peace
Now
out,
bring
homie.
that out in the vocals.
My attitude's fine, okay? Just a little quiet.
Let's hear that. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Come on.
What?
Snap that
I want to
bass.
play something for the camera. Ready?
Yeah.
One day I was riding my chicken, and one day Tino ate my chicken. That's Tino right there. Now things will never be the same. Thank you.
Did you really eat the chicken?
Yeah, I was really hungry, man. You know how it is for us fat guys.
You're just a little baby.
Did you rip the head off Guat style?
No, I did a Mexican style, eh? Grab the chicken by the head and twist it until it breaks his neck, eh?
God.